I am C.I.R.S. This is not my documentary. This is a glance into my past. Only a faint reminiscence of my saga. A journey of 25 years dedicated to everyone in my stories, told and untold, of immense contributions that has made me the Chinmaya International Residential School what I am today. I was born just as a thought in the mind of the visionary par excellence, the sage of the age, Swami Chinmayananda, from what he saw firsthand during his whirlwind global tours.
Children of this generation are orphaned culturally and spiritually. Neither can they sink in by aping the West, nor do they have the sufficient inputs to feel pride in their Indianness. An international school in India, blending academic knowledge dipped in spiritual atmosphere, will help them imbibe their own culture.
People looked out for the right place where I would grow up. The Bangalore metropolis, the scenic Andamans, the serene Siddhabari, and the divine Prayagraj were considered. None of them materialized. It was in 1979 that the Coimbatore Chinmaya Mission Committee, guided by Sri A. Somasundaram, identified a pristine 100-acre land in Siruvani, 27 kilometers away from the city. Enthused by his find, Brahmachari Sahaja Chaitanya and Sri S. Manohar rushed to meet Gurudev in Bangalore and invited him to see the land. Setting foot on that land overlooked by the celebrous Velingiri hills, Gurudev declared,
"This is the Siddhabari of the South. This is where my international school will be." The team at Coimbatore swung into action. Work at procuring different straits of land began.
In order to create awareness and raise funds for the international school, Brahmachari Sahaja Chaitanya took this ambitious campaign to go on foot across India, collecting 1 rupee per person, and he wanted to collect 1 crore rupees this way. Whatever was collected thus was offered to Puja Gurudev. It was not going to be a very easy task. It took another 10 long years to procure the entire land of C.I.R.S.
The enthusiasm to manifest me bubbled with the passion in Gurudev's heart. Wherever he went, he spoke of me, his international school.
When Puja Gurudev visited Vidya Bharati Chinmaya Vidyalaya Jamshedpur in late 80s, with a spark in his eyes and with a roaring voice, he spoke about the international school that he is setting up. He described how children from all over the world would come there to study and learn. He later went on to ask us, what is the qualification for a teacher? He answered, the ability to give love to children is the only qualification required for a teacher.
The vision to build me touched the hearts of devotees in India and abroad. They came forward and promised Gurudev their donations to build me. I was getting ready to manifest, but destiny had some other plans. Gurudev attained Mahasamadhi in 1993. The once enthusiastic shoulders of devotees drooped. Now that Gurudev is gone, no one can raise massive funds needed to build it. Let's drop it was the mood all around. A strong voice, firm and yet soft, rose out of the young 43-year-old Swami Tejomayanandaji. Upon him rested the mighty responsibility of leading the Chinmaya mission. Till now, you have known the glory of the Master. Now, you will all see the glory of his name. To fulfill my Master's dream, I will go round the world with my begging bowl. He said. The faith behind those words shook everyone up. With renewed vigor, the work resumed.
Guruji posted Swamini Vimlananji, an architect by training, an educator and administrator by temperament, to the Chinmaya Gardens to oversee the making of CIRS. Architect Pramod Balakrishnanji was hired to design CIRS. South India Viscose was asked to take up its construction.
I was scheduled to start in June 1996. Admissions came in from India, Southeast Asia, China, the Middle East, South Africa, and the US. Within just 5 months, I was ready for inauguration. It was the 6th of June 1996. The great saint and the head of the Divine Life Society, Swami Chidananda, the closest friend of Gurudev, arrived for my inauguration.
It is Swami Chinmayananda who has come to inaugurate his institution, he said. To the puzzled audience, he waved his train ticket and explained, "My ticket was booked, not in my name, but in the name of Swami Chinmayananda." He showered accolades on Guruji, Swami Tejomayananda, calling him a Suputra, a true son, who had fulfilled the wishes of his Guru. The audience were moved to tears.
I was born as Chinmaya International Residential School in 1996 with 99 students, 7 teachers and 8 staff.
The first CIRS Board of Management had Pujya Guruji himself as the chairman.
Swamini Vimlananji breathed life into this new institution. From setting the daily routine to guiding the staff, from overseeing the menu to formulating the spiritual curriculum, from securing admissions to comforting children, Swaminiji was hands-on. The duo of Wing Commander T. Patanjali, the registrar, and Srimati Jaya Venugopalji, the principal, crystallized her ideas and visions into systems and programs.
Brahmachari Samahit Chaitanya and Brahmacharini Sumati Chaitanya were posted exclusively as spiritual guides for the staff and children at CIRS. The knowledge, love and affection they showered on the children during the morning spiritual classes, evening aratis and the grand festival celebrations vibrate in their heart even today.
Patronized by Pujya Guruji and all the members of Chinmaya Mission, the news of the value-based Chinmaya International School spread far and wide. Children from different states and countries swarmed the halls of CIRS. Years that followed saw the immense contribution of stalwarts in education and administration as part of the board of directors and as principals.
In the 11th year of CIRS, 2005, Pujya Guruji anointed Swami Swarupanandaji as the resident director. His administration skills, his visionary leadership attracted an excellent talent pool. The enthusiasm that he has brought to the entire team changed the momentum and culture of CIRS. Brightest star amongst this talent pool was none other than Srimati Shanti Krishnamurti, who took over as principal in 2009. Her experience of over 3 decades in educational relationship has given an immense boost to the school's performance. In 2018, she has been elevated to serve as the Director of Academics and Administration.
The responsibility to lead the dynamic team has been passed over now to the capable hands of Srimati Rajeshwari Satish. In the same year, Swami Swarupanandaji took over as the head of Chinmaya Mission Worldwide and appointed Swami Anukulananda as the new resident director. The team of staff formed the nerves of CIRS, sustaining, carrying the organization forward with their selfless service, focused dedication and divine inspiration.
In CIRS, the pursuit of quality supersedes the pursuit of quantity. In spite of surging demand, CIRS has maintained a ratio of 1 teacher to every 9 students. Admissions to some of the best universities in the world has become the norm. It is common to receive letters from international universities appreciating CIRS for molding students who are excelling in academics and in nobility of character on their campuses.
The dedicated efforts of the staff are bringing to CIRS numerous recognitions, accolades and awards. In 2013, Chinmaya Education Cell honored CIRS with the Chinmaya Vision Award for effective implementation of CVP. CIRS has got listed as one of the 4 top institutions in the country in 2016 by the Education World magazine. It has risen up to the 2nd position in the last 2 years. In 2018, in the Class 12 examinations conducted by CBSE, CIRS has been ranked as number 1 among almost 22,800 CBSE schools. Students appearing in the IB examinations have started creating records with 44 out of 45 in 2017 and 45 out of 45 in the 2019 examination.
Today, I'm sprawling the campus with lush vegetation, fantastic flora and fauna. The pristine waters of Siravani, adjudged the world's 2nd best water, fills me with her sweetness. I rest at the border of one of the major biospheres of India, breathing in pure oxygen every day throughout the year. I have been moving closer to becoming a green campus, producing my own solar-powered electricity and creating excellent systems for water harvesting. Today, I stand tall and swell with pride as the flagship of the Chinmaya education movement which Gurudev envisioned. I carry his vision of transformation through value-based education to thousands across the world. I owe these glories to the blessings and guidance of the masters, to the tireless efforts of my family of teachers and staff, to the unending love and support that I have received from all of you. As I enter this 25th year, I offer my salutations to all of you in celebrating commitment, celebrating gratitude, and celebrating excellence. Hari Om.